Hello, my lovely friends. I am Lumaluye and I'm showing you how to draw cute characters on paper or in Procreate. Today, I'll show you painting process of this cute grandma. And if you want to see the full process, sketching, drawing, and also get the PDF with step-by-step tutorial, come to join my sketchbook club. I look forward to. And now, let's start painting. Set the layer with the sketch to multiply, create a new layer underneath it, and draw the body. At the end, use the eraser tool to remove any unnecessary parts. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, use a clipping mask, and paint the shadows. Create a new layer and draw the eyes. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, use clipping mask and paint the cheeks with pink color. At the very bottom, create a new layer and outline the silhouette of the coat. Use the selection tool, automatic, select the area around the coat and switch to inverse. Then color the coat. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clipping mask, and paint the shadows. Duplicate the shadow layer, adjust the visibility, and merge them into one. Below the shadow layer, create a new layer, set it to screen, and paint a pattern on the coat. Create a new layer and draw the basket. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clipping mask, and paint the shadows. Duplicate the shadow layer, adjust visibility, and merge them into one. Below the shadow layer, create a new layer, set it to screen, and paint a pattern on the basket. Finally, adjust the visibility. Create a new layer and draw the dog's body. Create another layer, use multiply clipping mask and paint the shadows and then cheeks with pink color. Create a new layer and draw the bonnet. At the end, duplicate the layer with shadows and adjust the visibility. Paint pink stockings and a scarf. Create a new layer, use a clipping mask, multiply and paint the shadows. Below the shadow layer, create a new layer and draw a pattern on the stockings and scarf. Create a new layer, color the hair, and then use the selection tool to outline any unnecessary parts and delete it by sweeping down with 3 fingers. Create a new layer, use clipping mask, multiply, paint the shadows, and then duplicate it and merge the layers into one. Go to the layers above the yellow coat and paint the buttons. At the very bottom, create a new layer and use a pencil to draw the line of the ground. Below the ground layer, create a new layer and draw a green area. At the very top, create a new layer, set it to multiply, and draw the final shadows and details. Create a new layer, set it to screen, and add highlights to the hair. Love this? Then you'll love my sketchbook club. Get access for the price of a coffee, only $1.99 per month. Hope to see you there, guys!